everyone, we're now here with Mr. Bataan here in Mr. International Philippines.
Hi everyone, my name is Ivan Jubel De Leon and I'm representing Bataan in this upcoming Mr. International Philippines 2025.
Alright, so Ivan, saan ka galing ulit na pageant before dito?
I've won Mr. Bataan Tourism 2024 last December po.
Alright, so anong paghahanda ginawa ni Ivan?
Actually, super daming preparation since this is a big pageant and medyo mataas yung expectation sa akin. So first, nag-focus talaga ako on my physical appearance po. Nag-gym, diet, which is, actually the diet is one of the most hardest sa pagdating sa preparation. And also, fun fact guys, every day, I train my question and answer sa sasakyan, papasok ng school. Every day.
Madalas ka nag-live sa TikTok every night. So, ano may tutulong sa'yo ng mga viewers mo sa TikTok here in your pageant?
Ayan, sa mga TikTok viewers ko po, please do support me on my upcoming pageant and aasahan ko kayo guys ha.
Alright, once again, Ivan, last name?
De Leon po.
De Leon,
yes.
for Mr. International Philippines.
Thank you so much guys.
Hi everyone, we're now here with Mr. International Philippines Legazpi City.
Hi everyone, my name is James Zafra, all the way from the city of Fun and Adventure, Legazpi City.
So what made you decide to join?
I think this is the time, the perfect calling for me to join Mr. International. Supposedly last year, however, it was been moved, or I decided to join this year, and I believe in God's perfect timing. So I think this is the perfect time for me.
Alright, so tell us something about yourself.
I was raised and born actually in Albay. Our life there is so very, sobrang payak lamang. And my grandfather is a farmer, and I know how hard the life of a farmer is. That's why I'm bringing here in Mr. International Philippines my advocacy, which is protection of the rights and uplifting the lives of our farmers.
So you're competing against 36 plus contestants here in the competition. So what is your edge?
Well, basically given my height, but I know I have this good attitude and character that I can show to everyone. And aside from that, I have the heart and the courage to uplift everyone.
Alright, so yeah, alam natin na marami kang followers sa social media. So malaking tulong sila sa iyong candidacy. So message sa yung mga followers and supporters.
Hi everyone, continue in supporting me on my Mr. International Philippines 2025 journey. I know you are with me and you're supporting with me, but I hope it doesn't end there. Hope to continue in supporting me throughout whatever the life will give me. Maraming salamat.
Of course, once again, Mr. Legazpi City here at Mr. International Philippines. Hello everyone, we're now here with Mr. Ilocos Sur.
Hello everyone, this is Gabriel Sotelo Faipon, 22 years old from the province where the past and present collides, the province of Ilocos Sur.
Yes, so kwento ka naman, saan galing kang pageant bago dito?
Oh, I've been joining pageantry since I was in college. I started in school-based pageants and then moved on to city-based because I live in Vigan City, and then there was a first ever male pageantry in our province, the Mr. Ilocos Sur. It was held in February 2025, so I was crowned the first ever Mr. Ilocos Sur, and I'm here today to join a national pageant to see and to challenge myself if I can compete in a national pageant.
So anong pakiramdam nandito ka ngayon sa nationals?
Oh, I feel very proud to represent our province because I've been representing my city, my section in school, but now representing Ilocos Sur is such an honor because it's not just a small place, but a whole province itself.
Alright. So you're still studying?
I already graduated as a BSN and I'm already a registered nurse.
Okay. So batiin mo naman yung mga viewers natin, yung mga supporters mo in Ilocano.
Hello, amin nga na sumusuporta kanya dita Ilocos. Agyaman na klaunay kanyayo amin gamin kay si kayo ti Mang Teted ti suporta ken Mang Teted ti confidence ko tapno sumali ken ag-perform nga nalaing dito Mr. International Philippines.
Alright, thank you so much. Everyone, we're now here with Mr. Rizal Province here in Mr. International Philippines.
Hi everyone, I'm Julius Irving Lirio, your Mr. International Philippines representing Rizal Province.
Alright, so kwento ka naman, saan galing pageant ka before dito?
Well, 2 months ago, we had our coronation, and then I won the Rizal charity. And then I was appointed here to represent Rizal Province in the Mr. International Philippines.
So ano pakiramdam nandito ka ngayon sa Nationals?
For me, I still can't believe it na nakatuntong ako sa national stage. I'm very blessed and I am still floating in the air, to be honest. And this is sinasabi ko sa lahat ng mga supporters ko na hindi ako makapaniwala na nakatuntong ako sa national stage. But I'm here and I will give my best, especially to give pride to my province.
Alright, and you won one of these major sponsor award in earlier press presentation. So, anong feeling?
Sobrang hindi rin ako makapaniwala and very thankful, syempre, for To the Bohemian for choosing me as their ambassador. So thank you so much po.
Alright, so last message sa yung mga upcoming supporters and especially sa mga taga Rizal Province.
Hi, Rizaleño. So I am here now in the national stage. So I will make sure that I will give pride and honor to our province of Rizal. And thank you so much guys for supporting me, to my friends, to my family, and of course to those people who are supporting me online. So guys, thank you so much, and I'll make sure that I'll give my best in this competition. And thank you so much.
Alright, once again, Rizal Province here in MIPH. Hello everyone, we're now here with Mr. Tacloban here in Mr. International Philippines.
Hi everyone, again, I am Gab Dipas from the happiest people of the world, Tacloban City.
So you're one of the audience favorite earlier in the press presentation.
Wow, really?
Kaya maraming sumisigaw sa'yo. So ano pakiramdam?
I am a bit overwhelmed, but yes, really, I didn't expect that. Knowing that I am from Tacloban, then I don't have any familiar faces here to be my audience. So it was just overwhelming to hear or to see someone from the other part of the Philippines cheering for me.
This is your first time?
No, actually, it was my third. I had a lot of pageant, but it was my third national pageant.
So kwento ko naman, saan ka galing bago dito sa MIPH?
Before I joined the Mr. Teen Tourism, Ecotourism Philippines, which I became the second runner-up. And last year, I joined the Mr. Friendship International Philippines, which I became the first runner-up. And now, I am aiming for the crown in this pageant, which is the Mr. International Philippines 2025.
Alright, so hindi ka na rin pala bago sa pageantry world. So, aside sa experience mo from last year,
yes, po.
Ano pa dadalhin mo ngayon sa MIPH?
This year, I think I'll offer the new version of me, because before the previous pageant, the Mr. Friendship International, which I am very thankful of, I am a bit skinny, but I'm keeping improving myself for me to get better day by day, for me also to be more effective or to fit into the role.
Alright, so sa Tacloban ka talaga na-stay?
Yes, I'm a student and I stay in Tacloban.
Talaga, batiin mo naman ang mga supporters natin from Tacloban. And Waray?
Yes, Waray. Maupay nga kulo pa aton nga tanan nga mga taga-Tacloban. Yan na, Adi, higab di pa sa iyo atubangan nga ngaro hinbulig nga suportahan ako niyo. Yan na nga tiabot nga July para han Coronation Night, han Mr. International Philippines. Padayon nga ato Taclobanon.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, we're now here with Justin Pantejos here in Mr. International Philippines.
Yes, Mr. International Batangas Province. Hello po.
Alright, so Justin, last time you're in the Mr. International Philippines Batangas and hindi mo nakuha yung title para mag-compete dito sa Nationals, and now nandito ka na, so anong pakiramdam?
Sobrang nakaka-proud po na talagang pag hindi ka sumuko, ito po yung result. Nandito na po ako ngayon sa national stage from way back 2023. Hindi po ako nakapasok sa winners. Na finalist lang po ako. Tapos bumalik po ako. Kamba ko na
24 last year.
24 last year. And nakuha naman po natin yung corona. And ngayon po, ilalaban natin yung Batangas sa national stage.
Yes, finally actually, isa ka sa dirurut ko last year. And now nandito ka na. So yeah, masaya rin ako na nandito ka. So dalawa kayong Batanggenyo, right?
Opo, Malayan, Michael Ursia, please support him also.
Alright, so ano bang hinanda ni Justin for this year?
Papa Misters muna tayo. Abangan natin yan sa preliminary on June. Midweek of June.
And Justin, you have the best body right now. So,
Thank you.
tell us your secret naman sa fitness.
Sobrang ano po kasi sa akin, yung pag-gym ko is parang naging lifestyle ko na po. Maging discipline lang po kayo and consistent. Makukuha niyo din po yung dream physique niyo po. Mag-start na po kayo ng fitness journey niyo. Ni-encourage ko kayo.
Yes. Alright, last message again sa mga viewers and your upcoming supporters.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng tuloy sa mga support sa akin. So mula nung una hanggang ngayon, magsama-sama po tayo ngayon dito sa journey ko sa national stage. Thank you so much!
Alright, thank you so much, Justin. Hello everyone, we're now here with Mr. Nueva Ecija, here in Mr. International Philippines. So introduce yourself first.
Hi everyone, mabuhay! I'm Fernando Escarino, Mr. International Philippines, representing the heart of Luzon, Nueva Ecija.
Yes.
Before joining this national pageantry, I joined the modeling industry, the runway industry, the recently concluded rap production Central Luzon Season 3 runway. It is held in Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija.
Ayan, dami na pala experience at 19. By the way, birthday niya ngayon, so happy birthday. Ilan taong ka na ulit?
I am 19 years old po.
19. So at 19, anong iniim mong crown for this pageant?
I am the youngest candidate of the competition. That I am suitable for the Mr. Teen International crown, as that is the crown that I'm aiming.
Yes. Ano paghahanda ni Mr. Nueva Ecija?
Sa mga pasarela, sa mga photoshoot at matindi rehearsal. Especially baka pag-uwi po namin siguro tomorrow, isang tulog. Ay, tulog saglit at rehearsal na.
Nag-aaral ka pa?
Bakasyon po namin ngayon. I'm an upcoming accountancy student or BSMA student.
Oh, galing naman. So last,
First year.
last message sa mga taga Nueva Ecija and especially sa yung mga upcoming supporters.
Ako po ay nagpapasalamat at humihingi ng suporta na ako po, si Fernando Vizcarino Lahom, representing, ako po ang inyong lingkod, nirepresenta ating probinsya, lalawigan ng Nueva Ecija.
Napaka-eloquent. Once again, Mr. Nueva Ecija, here in Mr. International Philippines. Hello everyone, we're now here again with Marlo Martin, Bulacan Province.
Hi guys, baka na-miss nyo ako. I am Marlo Martin, your Mr. International Philippines, Bulacan Province. So last time na-represent ko ang city of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Last edition ng Mr. International Philippines.
Yes, Marlo. So what made you decide to join again and to have your comeback?
Well, kasi I want to redeem myself this time. Kasi last time parang nanaig nung pressure, nung pagiging competitive ko. Hindi ko siya na-balance with enjoyment. Kasi parang the whole process from press presentation up until coronation, mas nangibabaw talaga sa akin nung dapat magkaroon akong corona, dapat makakuha ko ng isang corona dahil maraming corona. Hindi ko siya na-enjoy nung process. Kaya that makes me decide na sumali ulit para, well, nakapag-isip na ako siguro mayroon ako ngayong right mindset.
So last time, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
Yes, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
Yes, now buong Bulacan Province.
Probinsya ng Bulacan.
Ano ba ang i-offer ngayon ni Marlo na iba?
Unang-una, privilege to na buong probinsya ng Bulacan ang represent ko. So ang offer ko ngayon siguro, balance. Balance na nung na-enjoy ko. Habang na-enjoy ko is, hindi pa rin nawawala na kailangan may makuha tayo.
So, kumusta ang pressure kanina?
Actually, hindi ako na-pressure sa media, hindi ako na-pressure sa candidates ko. Na-pressure ako sa mga nakalaban ko last year. Kasi dati, kahilera ko lang sila. Ngayon, pinapanood na nila ako. Doon talaga ako na-pressure.
Oo, grabe, no? Kasi comebacker kayo. So, again, a message sa mga followers.
Hi guys, I hope support niyo ulit ako this time dahil naniniwala akong mas i-enjoy ko and mas ma-express ko ng sarili ko. So this time, gagalingan natin.
Alright, thank you so much again,
Thank you,
Marlo,
bro.
and good luck. Hello everyone, we're now here with Mr. Kalumpit Bulacan.
My name is J.P. Kahukong. Nirepresent ko ay Kalumpit Bulacan, working student, actor.
Tell us something more about your acting experience.
Masaya. At the same time, hindi ako nakakaramdam ng pagod kasi naniniwala ako na kapag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, hindi ka talaga makakaramdam ng kahit ano tardiness.
What made you decide to join Mr. International Philippines?
Goal ko sa buhay, which is gusto ko pa kasing karanasan or masubukan yung mga bagong opportunity na papasok sa akin. The same time, yung goal ko is magkaroon ng international billboard, model, ayan. Yun yung passion ko kasi.
Other dito sa pageantry, ano pang mga ginagawa mo?
Bukod sa pag-acting, isa akong casino dealer sa
Message sa yung mga viewers and upcoming supporters.
please support me sa darating na pageant this coming July 15 to 20.
Alright, so again, Mr. International Philippines Kalumpit, Bulacan, here in Mr. International Philippines. Hello everyone, we're now here with Mr. Manila here in Mr. International Philippines.
Hi guys, I'm Lloyd Garcia and I'm representing Manila City for Mr. International Philippines 2025.
Saan ka galing pageant before dito?
Actually, this is my first national pageant and haven't joined any pageant for over a decade. So everything is really new to me. So this is a new experience for me.
Alright, so anong pinagkakaabalahan ni Lloyd?
Now I'm working in a corporate setting and also I'm under an artist management and I actually doing hosting as well. So I just finished shooting our pilot episode for a travel lifestyle show. So please watch out.
Kaya pala familiar. So what made you decide to join this pageant?
To be honest, I want, it's very cliche, but I really want a big avenue and a bigger platform to really talk about my cause, share my story, which is mental health awareness. And I believe I am the best representation and epitome to everyone that, who are battling the same thing.
Alright. So anong pinagkaibahan nito, pageantry versus sa ginagawa mo ngayon?
This is really different, you know, because this requires a lot of effort, time, you know, and it's really kind of exhausting, but fulfilling at the end of the day. So it's something different, yeah.
Alright, so last, I know you have lots of followers in social media. So your message?
Hi guys, please support me for the upcoming Mr. International Philippines 2025, and you can also follow me on TikTok or Instagram at I am Lloyd Garcia. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Lloyd.
At syempre pa si TikTok pageant guru Carl Loyola.
I'm your TikTok pageant guru, TikTok pageant guru, TikTok pageant guru, Carl Loyola.